Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Well, the price has now nearly reached the resistance area we were looking for yesterday. If you recorded from yesterday, maybe, we are watching for a larger B wave to unfold here. It doesn't have to be the case. Obviously, the yellow count reminds us we could go down more directly. But essentially, I haven't got any, not outbreak, but breakout confirmation here to the upside, okay? And it would require minimally a break above, well, I really want to break above actually the trend line, okay? And we will talk about that now. Essentially, you can see that Solana is still moving in an overall sideways pattern. We're currently holding above the center line of that trend channel. But this is far from really bullish, okay? So it's just chopping around, essentially. The downside structure, like on the Bitcoin chart, looks a little bit incomplete. So I keep the door open still for lower prices, either in the blue count or the yellow count. The yellow count is overall bullish and allows for, obviously, I mean, this is the support area for the yellow count, okay? And if we take the microstructures away, as long as we're holding above $119.85, it is plausible to watch for a third wave rally. Looking at the microstructures, due to the corrective rally that we've had from the September low, it's likely to maybe complete that with one more dip and then go up. Yeah, because if we don't do that, it looks kind of weird, but could always be some kind of a diagonal. This is one of these situations where the levels are more important than and I mean, it's a range, okay, where the microstructure. We know that these microstructures change often in price ranges because it's not a trend. We need that trending move to really have some clarity or get some clarity. But overall, if we zoom out, the structure is less messy. Just if we try to zoom into the micro, it is messy because we're moving in a sideways range. But overall, bigger picture, it is possible, if we zoom out to the 4-hour chart, that a fourth wave bottomed on the 5th of August. And then we just say, okay, I've got a rally. This is my range. As long as we're holding support, I'm watching for higher. If someone wants a little bit more detail, that's when we zoom in and look at the micro patterns, but they are very dynamic and fragile. But overall, yesterday, we've seen it quite soon. I think that there was a good chance to get to that resistance area. In my first update yesterday, I published on Discord. That was yesterday, a little earlier than now, actually. So like 26 hours ago. I highlighted that I'm watching for that larger B wave as per the blue scenario, which would be further confirmed with a break above a certain level. That happened. But yeah, overall, the price is still stuck in a sideways range. I communicated the resistance, which is located between $150.37 and $158.39, but we really need a break above that $162 level, above the upper boundary line of the trend channel, to indicate a successful breakout to the upside. Here you can see that this is when we were just starting that move up. We're now basically above the green line. I deleted the green line because that was our signal level that we are moving up in wave C of B. Okay, at least it took out a previous swing high, which needed to hold for immediate downside continuation. So it's quite messy. I try to give you my best view of the market structure and the microstructure. But yeah, a break above that previous high at 162 is really needed for a substantial breakout to the upside and to favor an earlier than expected direct move up. Because looking at the microstructure, I'm definitely watching for reaction here. I mean, this just looks too choppy to the upside to clearly favor a bullish breakout, but I'm not saying it's not going to happen. I mean, the price really went deep into the support area. I mean, anybody who's trading the bullish count would have been would be positioned already, because this is the support zone where normally Elliott wave traders would find a position. So it's about now just managing risk and watching for a breakout to the upside while being very much aware that the price could test the support area again. I think the risk for that is high. Now, what that means for you and your portfolio and your position, unfortunately, only you can decide. But in the short term, the focus was on that resistance area. And today, I've actually added another micro, you could say, target level at 155.32, which should be reached next if this indeed is the blue C wave of wave B. And then, yeah, this is the area where probably we will be able to distinguish between the blue count and actually a more bullish interpretation, a more directly bullish interpretation, which could indicate a direct breakout. Because if we just go through this, take out the upper boundary line of the trend channel, it might indicate, yeah, a more direct breakout. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.